Here are a few facts about animals that might make you think.
Fact number 1.
You won't believe what happens in the first second of a giraffe's life. The mother giraffe doesn't look for a soft spot. She gives birth standing up. So, its life begins with a fall from 2 meters high.
Fact number 2.
This dolphin is asleep, but how is it not drowning?
It's only half asleep. One side of its brain stays awake. This allows it to surface for air and avoid drowning.
Fact number 3.
Pandas have no beds and no nests. So how do they sleep? Simple. They fall asleep wherever they are when they get tired. If it gets tired in a tree, well, so be it.
Fact number 4.
An albatross can fly for weeks, but when does it sleep? Right now, it sleeps in midair, using the same trick as the dolphin. One half of its brain rests, while the other navigates the sky.
Fact number 5.
What do humans and dolphins have in common? The answer is shocking. Of all the mammals on Earth, only these 2 species
Have sex not just for reproduction, but also for pleasure.
Fact number 6.
This opossum is dead. Or is it? When an opossum gets scared, it becomes a master actor. When the danger is gone, the opossum magically comes back to life. If these facts surprised you, subscribe to the channel. The world is full of secrets, and we will uncover them all.